Hello again, and as promised, we have even more content. We have the amazing Pret team joining us. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to let them introduce themselves. Can you guys tell me your name and your job role here with Pret? So, first and foremost.
I'm Patricia. I'm doing the level 3 apprenticeship, and I work at Chiswell Street Shop.
Brilliant.
So my name is Jacob. I'm a general manager for Pret. I've been in the company for 10 years, and I am a general manager of Patricia.
Oh, fabulous.
My name is Magda, currently on level 4 hospitality, apprenticeship, and currently 10 years in Pret, for last 4 years as a GM, working in Kingston.
Wow, fantastic.
Hi, my name is Alessia, and I'm doing the level 3 apprenticeship at the moment, and I'm in training as assistant manager in Kingston, so she's my general manager.
And last but not least, we have...
Yeah, I'm Cheryl Brown. I'm partnership consultant for lifetime training, and we work in partnership with Pret to deliver the apprenticeships, and we've been working with Pret now for the last 4 years.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, Cheryl. So as you mentioned, you're the lead for this. Can you give me, tell me a little bit about the Pret apprenticeship in particular and how, as a training provider, you immerse yourself in the Pret culture?
Yeah, so the Pret apprenticeship program is really to enable anyone coming in, new talent coming in from team member level all the way up to manager, and it's really supporting them to be able to get a degree. So working towards that degree with Pret. And as a training provider, the way that we work with Pret is that we culturally align ourselves. So we will have dedicated learning coaches who will support their learners and come in and actually spend time in shops to understand the Pret culture. And it's really enabling us to embed ourselves as part of an extension of the Pret team.
God, that's fantastic. Thank you for that. Let's head over to Jacob. As you mentioned, you're a manager and you've been working with Pret for 10 years now. That's fantastic. What makes an apprentice such great team members? What are your thoughts on that?
So the talent that we acquire through apprenticeship schemes normally is more. They have more stakes into their role, since their formal education comes as together with their employment, which does give them more drive. They are more motivated, more passionate about what they do, and also as part of the development, they do undergo extra curriculum that they afterwards bring to the business for us to benefit from.
Oh, fantastic! Thank you for that. So let's move over to Magda. Why are apprentices so important to the business? What value do they add?
So I will go like behind Jacob that I will call them a bit like a fresh blood.
Okay.
So we're coming, we're having a lot of motivations. Usually it's like very young people, and it's the first job experience. So the passions which they have, and they bring it to our teams. And I would say that they can be a role model as well, because at the same time they're working, they study.
Yeah.
And I think that is kind of difficult and creative
course.
times to do combination and the right combination of this.
Yeah, brilliant. Look, good job they have good managers like you guys there. We're going to take it over to Alicia. What advice would you give to someone thinking about an apprenticeship with Pret?
So I would say go for it.
Yeah.
Because
Short and sweet, I love it. Yeah.
because like you can study and work at the same time.
Yeah.
So you're going to have a lot of support from your tutor and from your general manager.
Yeah.
And your studying schedule will be tailored to your working hours, so you're not gonna feel overwhelmed. Maybe you're gonna work full time and studying as well. So for me, it was the right choice, and I'm really happy.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so Patricia, what's so different about the Pret apprenticeship?
Well, fortunately, during my level 2, I actually got to have experience days, and one of them involved going to the Best Foods Logistics, which is our supplier of food, and just seeing how that company worked, seeing the insides of the Pret company itself, learning about sustainability, all different topics that helped me with my EPQs.
Did you get to try the food as well?
It's all packaged up. It wasn't.
That question.
I wasn't ready to rip it all over.
So in my mind, that's always coming to mind. Do you guys get to eat the food while you're there? Okay, fab. Now, I'm going to head over to Magda. Progression in particular. What's next for you? What are your future ambitions?
So as I'm nearly end of my pathway, and one of the benefits, and this is the most important, which will support me in my career in Pret. So hopefully soon I will be able to apply for the next steps, which will be for me group or operation manager.
Oh, fab. And you're definitely being supported by your managers and your training provider. Fab, that's fantastic to hear. Let's just go over to Cheryl. How is the training delivered?
So the delivery of the apprenticeship is one-to-one.
Yeah, okay.
And it's tailored around the apprentice's actual schedule and their rota. So the learning coach will come into shops and have those one-to-one training sessions individually with those apprentices that are on programme.
So fantastic. Thank you guys for sharing all that invaluable information. If you are interested in working for Pret, head over to our website at pret.com for more information. This has been the Big Assembly Extra. Thank you so much for joining me today.